Hemm regoli internazzjonali stretti li jiżguraw livell għoli ferm ta' sigurtà. Dan il-punt ewlieni li rriżulta minn intervista ma' Morgan von Gegerfeld, il-kaptan tat-tanker armada LNG Mediterrana.
Safety of an LNG tanker is extremely good. There has been never any accident in the 52 years they have been transporting LNG around the seas. And the myth that it would be dangerous or for the port is highly exaggerated.
Barra minn hekk, il-konverżjoni waslet biex it-tanker jerġa' jkun ivverifikat mill-ġdid.
The tanks are extremely safe. They have a lifespan of 80 to 120 years, the tanks inside of the vessel, so we are far from the end of the days of this vessel. And especially since the conversion, everything has been checked, x-rayed and rebuilt according to the stringent rules we have in this industry to make it safe.
Il-kaptan li għamel mal-20 sena jaħdem fuq tankers tal-LNG sostna li dawn il-bastimenti huma fost l-iktar siguri. Fosthom minħabba li l-LNG fl-istat kif inhu miżmum ma jieħux in-nar u tenna li t-testijiet li saru u qed isiru jiżguraw il-livelli meħtieġa ta' sigurtà.
They're the best ships we can sail on. They are the absolutely safest ship ever built. The tanks are covered in several layers. And they are very good and highly technology, which is built on a template which is same for all LNG ships around the world.
Dwar it-trasferiment ta' LNG mill-vapuri li se jissupplixxu dan it-tanker, von Gegerfeld qal li dan isir qbil dwaru sa minn ġimgħat qabel. B'hekk ikun żgurat ukoll il-proċess ikun wieħed nadif li ma jħalli ebda impatt ambjentali.
We have meetings, we exchange drawings, even if it's the same equipment basically. And we have meetings where we agree of how to do the operation, and it's very safe. I've personally done more than 30 STS operations as the responsible person, and nothing has ever happened. You can actually plan it a couple of weeks ahead and you know exactly how it will go.
B'hekk b'xhieda ta' professjonist li dan ix-xogħol ilu jagħmlu 20 ta' snin ikomplu jiġu mgidba l-allegazzjonijiet u l-biżgħat ta' dawk li għal xi raġuni jew oħra dan il-proġett ma niżlilhomx tajjeb.